In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily convert any video into animation using AI tool in a few minutes. So right here guys, you want to simply walk with me from the beginning of this video to the very end. So the AI tool I'm going to show you is this AI tool called Domo AI. Domo AI is a tool that helps you produce top quality visuals faster and consistently with style right here. And you can easily make use of our text to art magic within 20 seconds and also our anime dreams to real world wonders right here. So guys, I'm just going to show you how to do just that. So guys, all you want to do is to go on to start in Discord, and it's going to take us right onto the Discord application, whereby you simply need to accept the invite, and it's going to take us right onto the Discord server. And once you right here guys on the Discord server, you want to simply scroll down right here, and we have how to use them. Use Domo right here. We have generate one, generate video right here. So you simply go onto the generate video. You can easily make use of any of this right here. And once you're right here guys, simply put in slash. And right here guys, we have turn video into video, turn anime into real photo, and also turn image into video. So right here guys, we want to simply make use of turn video into video right here, and you can easily drag and drop or click to file. So right here guys, I'm just going to drag up this particular video right here. So once you're right here guys, you can easily put in a prompt. I'm just going to make this to be this: a young guy dancing. So once you're done, you simply tap onto enter right here, and you are able to send a command right here. And once you're right here guys, the next thing you want to do is to simply just tap on the particular video, which is this right here. You select the one you want to make use of. Now right here guys, we have a lot of filters right here: styles. We have the flat color anime style, the Japanese anime style, live anime style, and many more. So simply go into the flat color anime style, then right here tap on refer to source video more, and simply click on to start right here, and this is just going to generate our video within a few seconds. So right here guys, as you can see, they have been able to turn in my real dancing video into an anime video right there. So let's simply play this. So right here guys, this is the real image that was uploaded right here to Domo AI, and this was generated right here. And this is it right here guys. So if you're looking for one of the best AI that helps you create, that helps you convert any video into animation, you want to simply try out this AI tool called Domo AI.